The RCIOH Spaces Wayfinder is an effective way to find available spaces in your location. Let me show you exactly how. Over on this screen, we have got the Wayfinder available on a RCIOH interactive whiteboard. The interactive map that we're currently looking at is a perfect digital twin of our Rum Runner office. So I can see all of the desks and meeting rooms displayed on here exactly as they're laid out in the building. And there are a couple different ways of locating spaces. So firstly, we can just use this 3D map to be able to navigate through and seamlessly articulate. So I can zoom in and I can see all of the desks. Obviously the desks that are marked in red are the ones that are booked and the ones marked in green are available. So I can tap on one of those and I can see the availability slots. And then from here, it's super simple. I can just tap the days that I might want. I can hit book, and then all I have to do is either scan a QR code or enter my PIN, and I'll be able to book out that desk for the number of days that I've selected. Alternatively, if I wanted to use just a simple list view of finding available desks, rooms, or parking spaces, then I can use the button on the right here. And you can see how we've got it set to rooms at the moment, and I can see the availability of 2 of the rooms because one of them is currently booked right now. But if I go across to desks, I can see all of the desks and find ones available in green. I can look for available zones, and I can even look for people. So if there are certain colleagues that I know are in the office on this day and I want to be able to find where they're sat, then I can scroll through this list. I can find my colleague Dean, for example, is sat at desk 28. So I can go and book myself a desk near him if I wanted to. Changing the floor we're on or the location that we're in is super simple as well. We've got a couple of different menus down here. So by clicking on them, we've only got a ground floor available in this office, but if I wanted to change office, then I can tap on our location selector and I can scroll through, for example, Barcelona. And then we have our Barcelona map available in 2D. So we have both 2D and 3D mapping options available, but on this one, we don't get the same level of detail or articulation available. But as you can see, we've still got available rooms and desk spaces in green and booked ones in red. And we can still tap on these different spaces to be able to book them, or we can use the pop-out menu to easily search through the different space types and use our people tab. So in summary, the RCIOH Spaces Wayfinder is a really simple and effective way to navigate through your workplace. It's a really easy way to find available desks, meeting rooms, or locate your colleagues. And for more information, you can use the RCIOH Spaces Help Center, or you can find more videos like this one on the RCIOH Spaces YouTube channel.